Alright guys, so my bad dish from eBay came in. Got my first pair of Jordans. I think 153 with a couple of cents was the order. First pair of Jordans that I ever owned here. Yeah, I got a small size. Let's see, here's the focus. Air Jordan 8 Retros. Bugs Bunny. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Actually, hold on. Which of them? It's the newest cop. Alright, the shoes here. Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. You know, I was looking for these for a while. And I finally copped them. I'm happy. It took about 5 days or whatever last Saturday, and I got them today on Thursday. Size 7. I'll get back with you with an on-feet review.
Show the inside, Brian. The inside.
Okay. Done. Finish it.